In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually update plugins in WP Engine for the year 2025. This process can seem daunting at first, but taking updates into your own hands can be crucial for maintaining the security and efficiency of your site. So let's walk through this step by step to make sure you get it right. To begin with, you'll need to download the updated version of your plugin from WordPress.org. Start by heading over to the site and in the search bar, type in the name of the plugin you want to update. Once you found it, click on the download button to get the latest version as a .zip file. This download step is important as it ensures you have the most recent and feature-rich version of the plugin. Next, let's log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where the core of the action will take place. Open a web browser and navigate to yourdomain.com/wwp-admin. Enter your admin credentials and you'll find yourself at the main dashboard of your website. Here, you have control over everything from content to settings. The next step is to deactivate the plugin that you plan to update. Navigate over to the Plugins section and click on Installed Plugins. A list of all your current plugins will appear. Find the one you want to update and click Deactivate. This step is crucial because you can't replace a plugin file that is in use, so ensure it's deactivated before proceeding. Now, it's time to remove the old version. Back in the installed plugins list, locate the deactivated plugin again, and this time click Delete. By doing this, you're clearing out the old files to make room for the new version. This is an essential piece of the update process and ensures that there are no remnants of outdated code affecting your site's performance. With the path clear, it's time to upload the new version. Still, under Plugins, you'll find an Add New button at the top. Click there, and then select Upload Plugin. Choose the .zip file you downloaded earlier, and click Install Now. Wait for the process to complete, and then activate the plugin. When you activate it, you're now running the latest version with all its new features and fixes. Finally, let's confirm that everything's been updated correctly. Go back to your installed plugins list and check the version number next to the plugin you updated. Make sure it matches the version number of the file you downloaded. If it does, congratulations, you're done, and that's it for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you can ensure your WordPress site is running optimally with the latest plugin updates. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look out for more tutorials to help keep your site secure and efficient.